Manila North Cemetery is quiet for now, with only a few visitors cleaning graves ahead of All Saints' Day. But as the weekend approaches, expect the cemetery to fill up with families preparing to honor their loved ones. Starting October 29th, the cemetery will extend visiting hours to accommodate the rush. Denise Osorio has more.
This old man is known as the legendary gravestone maker of the Manila North Cemetery. At 67 years old, Mario Formales continues to work tirelessly, remaining one of the most sought-after craftsmen in the cemetery. Once a grave caretaker and mason, Mario is now the oldest active marble engraver in the area, with more than 3 decades of experience creating headstones for the departed.
Parang nainganyo ko. Minapanood siya, galing nito parang kaya ko to Sabi ko, kaya ko to gawin.
His rates remain modest, 250 pesos for a simple name engraving service, and from 700 pesos up to 1,500 pesos, including the marble slab, depending on the number of names to be etched.
Araw-araw Kahit dalawa, mayroon ko maghapon. Pero pag marami, makaka-anim ako maghapon.
The Manila North Cemetery Administration continues to support small enterprises within the grounds, often referring customers themselves to help sustain livelihoods.
Kailangan makisama sila sa amin. Kailangan hindi sila magulo, di ba? Sumunod sila sa panuntunan ng Manila North Cemetery.
Vendors are permitted to sell along the pavements. However, Director Daniel Tan says all forms of business inside the cemetery will be prohibited during Undas to ensure an orderly flow of people and vehicles. To maintain peace and security, the following are strictly banned inside the Manila North Cemetery during Undas 2025. Guns, firearms, and bladed and sharp objects such as knives, cutters, and spatulas. Alcoholic beverages. Pets, such as dogs and cats, guitars, loud sound systems and speakers, flammable materials including alcohol and thinner, and all forms of gambling. A total of 64 CCTV cameras inside the 54 hectares compound and 4 IPPTZ cameras around the perimeter is installed, ensuring safety and readiness throughout the Undas long weekend.
Meron tayong may security tayo diyan. Meron tayong 15 volunteers, tapos 24 hours po, 24/7 na meron po tayong PNP. Meron mga karatula po tayo sa first aid natin. May ambulansya po tayo, may fire truck po tayo sa loob na naka-designate naman po.
Nearly 2 million visitors are expected next week. Director Tan advises the public to visit early to avoid the hassles and inconvenience of crowding, particularly senior citizens, persons with disabilities, and expectant mothers.
Siyempre, mga mahal natin sa buhay, dapat dalawin natin unang-una. Huwag natin hintayin tayo padalawin sa bahay natin. Tsaka ito sana, igalang sana natin to. Hindi naman to Undas na pasyal-pasyal lang, di ba? Banding-banding na. Kailangan ito yung paggunita para sa mga mahal natin sa buhay.
Meanwhile, the cemetery remains calm and wide open, with no families yet arriving to clean their loved ones' graves. According to the caretakers, most visitors usually arrive once students go on semestral break. However, some are expected to begin arriving this weekend to start tidying the graves. For those planning to visit and clean the graves of their departed loved ones, the cemetery is open daily from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. From 29th October to 2nd November, visitation hours will be extended from 5 a.m. to 9 p.m. Denise Osorio for the National Television Network for a new and better Philippines.